Basic English sentences. Learn basic English for kids and parents with pictures. Part 1. Let's start the topic. I make my bed each morning. I make my bed each morning. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I comb my hair every morning. I comb my hair every morning. I wash my face with soap. I wash my face with soap. I put on my clean clothes. I put on my clean clothes. I tidy my room every day. I tidy my room every day. I pick up all my toys. I pick up all my toys. I put my toys in bins. I put my toys in bins. I put books on the shelf. I put books on the shelf. I place shoes in the closet. I place shoes in the closet. I help set the dinner table. I help set the dinner table. I put plates on the table. I put plates on the table. I put forks and spoons out. I put forks and spoons out. I put glasses on the table. I put glasses on the table. I help clear the table later. I help clear the table later. I put dirty dishes in sink. I put dirty dishes in sink. I rinse my plate with water. I rinse my plate with water. I wipe the table after meals. I wipe the table after meals. I help wash dirty dishes. I help wash dirty dishes. I dry dishes with a towel. I dry dishes with a towel. I put away clean dishes. I put away clean dishes. I fold napkins for dinner. I fold napkins for dinner. Fold my clean clothes. Fold my clean clothes. I put clothes in the closet. I put clothes in the closet. I put socks in the drawer. I put socks in the drawer. I put pajamas in the drawer. I put pajamas in the drawer. I hang my coat on a hook. I hang my coat on a hook. I put my head in the closet. I put my head in the closet. I take trash to the bin. I take trash to the bin. I put a bag in the trash. I put a bag in the trash. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and please subscribe for more learning videos.